Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. There's a lovely phrase that I think will be good for this week, which is kua tai mai te. It's actually from one of our Christmas books, kua tai mai te pō, and kua tai mai means that something has arrived. So this means the night has arrived, but for example you could use it to say that Monday has arrived or Friday has arrived. Kua tai mai te rahina, Monday has arrived. Kua tai mai te rā mere, Friday has arrived. You can also change the te to ngā if you want to talk about more than one thing. So kua tai mai ngā tamariki, the children have arrived. Kua tai mai ngā manuhiri, the visitors have arrived. So it's a really good phrase to start to use kua tai mai te, something or other has arrived. Ka kite.